Evening guys, how's it going? Little short video for you. Okay, so it's quite late in the evening. I'm up at Lewis Motorsport, Brown Hills, and I brought my engine up here a couple of weeks ago. Finally got some time to come back up, and Matt is quite nicely helping me out here. Here's Matt Lewis Motorsport, and we're currently, well, I'll show you. Let's lift the head off of my engine, which may involve two of us, but this is the heart of the beast at the moment. A bit of take going on. Okay, so it's not good news, because it's not supposed to do that, is it, mate? So heads off. Obviously you can see the block mod, which is the shims in between the liner to stop the tops of the liners cracking, but pistons aren't supposed to do that. There's a lot of play in there. Okay, so it's not necessarily good news, definitely bad news. Basically, let me turn the camera around. So take the sump off, yeah, sound, forged pistons, roger that, yeah, excellent. However, as shown in the previous clip, the bores may or may not be slightly, best way of putting it, not round anymore. So it's going to have to go off to be machined and stuff, or checked over anyway. I didn't originally come in here with a fucked engine, but now it turns out I have a fucked engine. I actually came in here to have the cams and stuff done, some other little trick bits, aircon deleteless kind of stuff. So I didn't necessarily plan for my engine to be, well, scrap, especially way of putting it, alright. Wasn't built properly beforehand. I won't mention the company. They didn't do a job that they were supposed to properly. Yeah, we'll soon find out once the engine's stripped down even further and goes to the machine shop to be checked over. So that's the end of this small clip. I thought I'd just do a quick sort of 30 seconds, well, it's not 30 seconds, probably about a 2-minute video, just to show you what's going on with the car. Yeah, great. As you can tell, I'm rather annoyed. Yeah, I think I'll use that, annoyed, yeah, 100%. So yeah, one of those things happen, you have to just get on with it. So catch you in the next video, guys. Hope you enjoy this one. I didn't, really didn't. Anyway, take it easy, see you soon, ciao.